So I'm currently doing a couple of prop firm challenges with MyFundedFX, and I thought I might as well show you around and the different challenges they offer and basically an overview of MyFundedFX. I'm on MyFundedFX, the homepage, and once you log in, this is the screen you're going to be welcomed with, and this is basically the challenges. They offer 3 types of challenges. This is actually a new challenge which came out yesterday, I believe. So we have a 2-step, which is basically an 8% profit target, unlimited time. So that's a really cool thing that they offer. There's no time limit, so you don't have to achieve this in 30 days or whatever, in a month. This is unlimited time, so take as long as you want to achieve 8%, and that's the first phase, as it's a 2-step challenge. Second phase is 5%, so that's the maximum daily loss. The second phase is 5%, so first phase unlimited time 8%, second phase 5%, and unlimited time as well. So then minimum trading days is 1, so you have to trade for at least 1 day. This is pretty simple. Initial account balance is 8%, so you can't go 8% from the initial account balance. So if you take 100k, you can't go 8k down from it. And maximum daily loss, so if it's 100k, you can't lose 5k in a day, which you shouldn't be doing anyway. Then we have a 2-step pro challenge, which is the new one, and the thing is that the initial account balance loss is 10% from an 8%, so they've actually increased the initial balance loss to 10%, which is really cool. I'm going to do this one next for sure. And then yeah, maximum daily loss 5%, simple, same thing. Profit target 8%, 5%, 2 phases. Now 1-step challenges, which is the 10k challenge that I did, that's actually a 1-step, and this is only one thing. There's no 2 phases, right? So there's not 8%, 5%. It's just one time, unlimited time. All you have to do is achieve 10%. Achieve 10%, you get the account. Minimum trading days, maximum daily loss 4%. So that's lower than the 5%, but still 4%. Shouldn't be really losing that in a single day. Maximum trading loss. This is the thing that people get stuck on, which is a bit annoying, honestly. But maximum trading loss basically means that as your profits go up, so does your maximum loss that you can lose before you lose the account. For example, if I'm on 100k challenge and I make 6%, so I'm on 106k. Now, on these challenges right here, what it is that I'll only lose the account if I go down 8% and 10%. So if I go to 92,000, then I'll lose the account. If I go to 90,000 on this, I'll lose the account. However, with this one, as I made the 6%, so 106, I can only lose, like, my account will be blown if I go to 100k, which means that as your profits go up, so does that 6%. So it's your 6% from your maximum profit. So let's say I make 8%, 108k. I'll only lose the account when I'm on 102k, 108 minus 6, 102. So once I reach 102, then I would have blown the account. Whereas in these ones, I would have to still reach minus 10% and minus 8% from the initial account balance. So it's a bit annoying in that way. However, it's a bit more convenient in a way that it's only 1 step, 1 phase, but I seriously recommend doing these ones. As with psychology, a maximum trading loss of 6% doesn't really help, because it's always in your head, right? That yeah, I made profit. However, my maximum loss is still going up and up and up with the profits. I hope you understood the trailing loss, and that's pretty much it. So those are the 3 challenges you can do. And so what if you click the challenge, they ask if you're 1-step, 2-step, 2-step pro, whichever one you want. They offer a 5k to a 300k challenge. Choose your platform, choose your broker, choose between standard and swap free, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So those are and they actually do competitions as well, which is really cool, I think. So there's a July competition, and the way it works is that they'll give you an account, for example a 100k account, and you have to trade that for the whole of July. And if you reach in the top 40 or something like that, they give you prizes. So I think the top 3, they get a free 300k challenge and like $500 as a prize. And like if you come between 20 to 40, it's something like you get a free 10k challenge. So things like that. So I think it's really cool, and they're really active on their YouTube as well, which I think is cool as well. That is the MyFundedFX review. Go check them out, link in the description down below. So that is MyFundedFX, and make sure to let me know if you want me to do more prop firm reviews and overviews. Let me know down in the comment section down below. And that's pretty much it from my side. Stay safe, see you next week, and happy trading.